आवडा खूप मतलब good morning dear students. I am Vipin Kumar and today is Thursday our math class is there. So in last class already we completed the question number first and second. Okay, and the third question is not important due to the exam view, so you just cut the third question. Okay, third question number third is not important due to the exam view, so you just cut the question number third. आपको question number third को cut करना है. Okay, not important due to the exam view, exam में नहीं आएगा. Okay, any doubt? Okay, so now we are going to start our next question. Question number 4. The fourth question is simplify the following. There are in the fourth question there are 4 part of 4 and we have to simplify each of the following. Okay, simplify the following expression. Just we have to follow the BODMAS rule. We have to follow the BODMAS rule and simplify each of the following. I think you know about the BODMAS rule. B means bracket, O means off, D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition and S means subtraction. Okay, so we have to follow just the BODMAS rule and solve the following question. Okay, so just see negative 150 as it is, open the bracket, then negative 24. Okay, as it is, negative 50 divided by negative 10 plus, first we have to multiply both of these. 16 1 ja 16 and 16 2 ja 32 or minus 17 and plus 120. Any doubt? So next, negative 150 plus negative 24 negative 50 divided by, just see, 32 negative 10, 32 minus 17, 32 minus 17, then 12 minus 7, then 5, and 2 minus 1, then 1. Okay, so 15, positive 15 because positive number is bigger. 120. Next, negative 150 plus negative 24 negative 50 divided by 15 minus 10, 15 minus 10, then 5. 15 minus 10, then 5 and 120. So next, 150 plus negative 24. Now just see, first we have to follow the divide. First we move the divide. So 50 divided by 5 minus as it is, 50 divided by 5, 50 divided by 5, then 10 times. How much time? 10 times plus 120. Next, negative 150 plus negative 24. See, negative 24 and negative 10, both number are negative. When two numbers are negative, then we have to add both of these, 24 and 10, 34, but symbol is negative. And the last, plus 120. Afterwards, just see, negative 150 plus 120 minus 34. एक नंबर पॉजिटिव है, एक नंबर नेगेटिव है. So 120 minus 34, 10 minus 4, then 6. Afterwards, 11 minus 3, then 8 and 0. So 86. And our last number, negative 150 and 80 is subtract again. 150 minus 80 is 10 minus 6, then 4, and 10 minus 6, then 4, and 14 minus 8, then 6. So answer is negative 64. So this is the way to solve this type of questions. Okay, so take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Just follow the BODMAS rule. It means we have to just follow the BODMAS rule. Afterwards we can solve this type of question. Okay, so write in your notebook. So the next question, the B part of the fourth one, 18 plus bracket negative 15 plus 3 of bracket negative 51 divided by 3 plus 62 minus 5 multiply 5 bar. This line is called bar. This line is called bar. Okay, it means उसको भी सबसे पहले सॉल्व करना होता है, वो भी एक ब्रैकेट ही है. दिस लाइन इज टाइप ऑफ अ ब्रैकेट, ये भी एक टाइप का ब्रैकेट है, बार की फॉर्म में इसको सॉल्व करना है. तो जस्ट सी 18 प्लस negative 15 plus 3 of negative 51. So first we will solve this. Just see, 51 negative है as it is, 51 divided by 3, 51 divided by 3, then 1 time 3, 7 times 17. Answer is 17. So we have to write 17. Okay, 62 minus 5 multiply 5, then 25. Okay. Next, 18 plus negative 15 plus 3 of, just see, negative 17, 62 minus 25, 62 and 25, subtract both of these, 12 minus 5, then 7, 5 minus 2, then 3, 30, positive 37. Okay. Next, 18 plus negative 15 plus 3 of 37 minus 17, 37 minus 17, 0 and 2, it means 20, and 20 is positive. Okay, so 18 plus negative 15, 3 of means multiply, and 20. Okay, so 18 plus negative 15, 3 multiply 20, then 60. Okay, so the next is 18 plus 60 minus 15, 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 first, 10 minus 5, then 5, afterwards carry 5 minus 1, then 4, 45. The final answer is 45 and 18. We have to add both of this, 8 and 5, 8 and 5, 4, 13, carry 1, 4 and 1, 63. So the result is 63. Okay, so this is the way to solve this type of question. So take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Okay. Sorry, one mistake happened. Here is the symbol is negative 5. Okay, here is the symbol is negative. One more negative is there. Just see in the question. One more negative symbol is there. So no problem. So negative is positive, and 5 into 5, 25. So now 62 plus 25, 62 and 25, you have to add both of these. 5 plus 2, 7, and 6 plus 2, 8. It means 87. Afterwards, 87 minus 17. So 87 minus 17, 0 and 7. It means 70. Here is 70. Afterwards, 70 here. 7 multiply 3, 200 and 210. The 210 minus 15. 210 minus 15, 10 minus 5, then 5. Here 10 minus 1, then 9, and 1, 195. So answer, the final answer is 213. So okay, so this is the one mistake happened. It means here is negative 5, but I wrote 5. That's why answer becomes some different. But it just see, here is negative, then negative is positive. So afterwards, final answer is 213. Now take the screenshot and write it in your notebook. Okay. Now is it correct? So the next question, in the question also we have to follow the BODMAS rule and solve this question. 125 minus negative 20 of means multiply negative 16. Okay, plus 15 divided by negative 5. Okay, so 125 minus negative is always positive, and 20 multiply 16. 20 multiply 16 is 320, plus 15 divided by 5. 5 with the 5, 5 with the 5, 5 with the 15. But negative symbol is there, so negative 3. Okay, so 125 minus 320 and minus 3, plus minus 3. Okay, so 125 minus 320 minus 3, answer is 317. So final answer 125 minus 370. So 317 minus 125, 7 minus 5, then 2. So 1 afterwards, 10 minus 2, then 8, and 9, and 192. So negative 192 is your answer. Okay, any doubt? So this is the way of this question. Is too much easy. Of means multiply 16 multiply 20, then 320. 15 divided by negative 5, then negative 3. Afterwards, negative positive negative 317. 125 minus 317, then 192. 2. Any doubt? Okay, take the screenshot. Next question is negative 120 divided by bracket negative 45 minus bracket 15 minus 10 bar multiply negative 18 negative 15 bracket and this bracket. We have to solve this like this. Okay, so 120 divided by negative 45 minus like so we have to solve like this. Negative 120 divide negative 45 minus, just see this line means bracket 15 minus 10 then 5 multiply negative 18 and negative 15, both number are negative, so we have to add both of these. So 18 and 15, 8 plus 5 13, 3 carry 1 33, it means negative 33. Okay, so final answer negative 120 divide negative 45 minus 33 multiply 5, 33 multiply by 5, 5 3 is 15, carry 1, 5 3 is 15 and 1 16, it means negative 165. Okay, afterwards negative 120 divided by negative 45, negative is positive and 165, and then 165 minus 45, 165 minus 45, then 0 2 1 1, 120, negative 120 divided by positive 120 because the positive number is bigger. So 120 divided by 120 result is 1, but negative is there, so answer is negative 1. So now our fourth question is completed. Like that also the fifth question is there. So I will solve at least any one and rest one you have to solve. Okay, so take the screenshot and write in the notebook. So students, in the fifth question, the question is saying that check whether the simplification of the expression is correct. चेक करना है कि जो इसका एक्सप्रेशन है, इसका जो आंसर है वो जो दिया हुआ है वो करेक्ट है. इफ नो देन राइट द करेक्ट आंसर. अगर वो दिया हुआ आंसर करेक्ट नहीं है तो आपको सही आंसर मेंशन करना है. कुल मिला के इसको सॉल्व करना है. क्या करना है, इसको आपको सॉल्व, यू हैव टू जस्ट सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. इफ योर आंसर इज the given answer is negative 280, if your answer is also negative 280, then it is correct. Okay, so just see by the BODMAS rule. Okay, so negative 130 plus 5 multiply 6, both are multiply, 6 multiply 5, then negative 30, afterwards plus 75 minus 50 multiply 2, 50 multiply 2 then 100 minus 40 divided by 5, 5 8 ja 40, afterwards negative 130 plus minus 30 plus 75 minus 100 minus 8 then 92. Okay, 130 minus 30 then 100 plus 75 minus 92, it means 175 minus 92. So 175 minus 92, 5 minus 2 then 3, 17 minus 9 then 8, so the answer is 83. So you got your answer 83 and the given answer is negative 280. So the given answer is wrong. Is wrong. The correct answer is, सही आंसर क्या होगा आपका 83. Okay, any doubt? So take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay, so the last question, afterwards our chapter first is completed and next we are starting next class in next chapter. Okay, so the last question of 4000 divided by 4000 divide 20 of negative 5, 20 of means multiply negative 5, bracket close, minus 63 plus 63 minus negative 45, 45 divided by 15, 15 बन जा 15, 15 बन जा 15, 15 to the 30, 15 3 जा 45. The answer is 3, but negative 45 is there, so the symbol is negative. Okay, so 4000 divided by 20 multiply 5, then negative 100 minus 63 plus 63 minus minus plus 3. Okay, so 4000 divided by negative 1000 minus 63 plus 63 plus 3 then 66. okay, so 4000 divided by 1000, 4000 में जब आप 1000 से डिवाइड दोगे, 4000 डिवाइड बाय 1000 तो 3 जीरो से आपके 3 जीरो क्या हो जाएंगे, सॉरी 100 है तो 2 जीरो से 2 जीरो क्या हो जाएंगे आपके कट, तो रिजल्ट क्या बचेगा आपका 40. okay, so the negative 40 is the solution of this answer because negative symbol is there. negative 63 and positive 66, so negative 40 and negative 63 is negative 103 and plus 66, so subtract both of these 103 and 66, so the answer is 13 minus 6 then 7 and 3, so final answer is negative 37, but the given answer is negative 39, so no, the given answer is wrong and final answer is negative, correct answer is negative 37. okay, so the given answer is negative 39 but our correct answer is negative 37. okay, this is the way. First we have to follow the board mass. Of means multiply 20 multiply 5 then negative 100, 63 as it is 63, afterwards 45 divide board mass के बाद ऑफ के बाद डिवाइड आता है, so 45 divided by 15 then negative 3 negative negative positive 63 plus 3 67 and 20 multiply negative 5 then negative 100, इन दोनों का जब डिवाइड देंगे 2 जीरो से 2 जीरो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, क्या बचेगा negative 40 negative 63 and plus 66, दोनों नेगेटिव है. if both number are negative then we have to add both of this, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा negative 103 and plus 66, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे फाइनल negative 37. so now our first chapter is almost I think completed. All question are solved by me, so just take the screenshot and try to understand. If you face any problem then you can ask on Google Meet class, but just try to solve. Without solving don't ask simply that sir that sent the solution we didn't understand. If you face any problem then see the video 1 or 2 times. I explained too much carefully and clearly. okay, so see the video once more time. okay, so then, today's class is over and next class we are started our next chapter. okay, thank you.